Hey guys, I'm so sorry. But as I was saying, I went through a lot of my videos and I saw, hey Hayden, make more slime, and I'm like, okay. So tonight I decided to make y'all some slime. So I have my gold glitter. I don't know if y'all can see it very good, but I have my gold glitter. And my borax. Do not drink it. It's not edible. I have my glue right here. So first what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to set right there on my ladder. I'm going to have to bend down to see y'all. I have like a little dresser thing that I'm going to make magic. So I'm just going to dump a little bit of glue. Okay, that's good. I'm just going to let that right there. Okay, so now I'm going to add this. I had gold flakes, but don't know where they went. And have some glitter. Ready? Don't let y'all watch it. Ready? Okay. As y'all see, looks pretty good. Looks good. Looks good. Okay. That's my thumb. Okay, so I don't really know what I'm gonna be mixing it with. So let's just use my finger. If y'all could see what I'm seeing, it's kind of hard to catch y'all there. Let's try. Can y'all see it again? Okay. I didn't want to ruin it. I didn't really see that. Okay, so let's just go ahead and let's mix this. Awesome. Let's add more glitter. Okay, we're good now. Time to add the water. I accidentally drank that. The water. Oh, yum. No, I'm just kidding. Do not drink this. Okay. Right now to y'all it looks like a big glob, but I'm not a professional. But if y'all keep liking and subscribing to my videos, I'll start posting a lot more and getting a lot more stuff for me to post and stuff. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the bell and to turn on your post notifications to where you don't miss another video like this. Awesome video. Okay. Moment of truth. Invest too much. You know me, something always goes bad in one of my videos. It's storming here. I'm in Mount Vernon, Texas. It's storming here. It's like not doing anything. Let's mix. Okay. Okay, comment down below. Make sure you keep chatting to me. I will chat with you back. Will it slime? Yeah, it will. Okay. But I'm serious. Make sure you click that bell so you don't miss another awesome, cool, adventurous video just like this. Oh, it's just glue. Let me add a chunk of that. See, it's starting to slime, Trying so hard not to knock that out. It's just turning into water right now, as y'all see right here. It's nothing but glue and stuff. But we're gonna change that. We're gonna add a lot more of this. Comment down below what I should be adding. Comment down below what I should make next. I will try and make it. Person who asked for the Jello, we are buying the Jello and getting it ready because every time we go to the store, we're always out of Jello. So we're trying. This side, and I'm going to add most of this. Maybe it needs more glue. I don't know. Oh, there we go. We just need to add a lot. Okay, we'll know if it's sticky. Oh, now it's starting to turn. Okay, let's add some more glue if I can get it open with one hand. Oh, there we go. Okay. We are all good. Gonna try adding a lot of this. There we go. That's what I needed. There we go. Okay, as y'all can see, it's starting to get to the right consistency, I guess. For 8 whole minutes, it's been just nothing but 9 whole minutes. It's been nothing but liquid.